Hi, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be celebrating my 20,000 subscribers. Yes, 20,000 subscribers. To do that, I'm going to be giving away 3 boxes like this, full of yarn, up to the ceiling, as you can see. So I'm going to be giving away this would be the first subscriber who puts their comment, which country, where you live. So I will be picking randomly. I'm not going to use the random picker this time because I only had 6 when I tried to do the review giveaway. I only had 6 comments. So this time I'm going to let you guys do it for 2 weeks, and I will be picking myself. So please put your country where you live down on the below. So this is one of the yarns. I am as if you check my other tutorial I just posted, I am doing a throw over with this yarn. I'm sure you watched this one. Yeah, it's just my previous tutorial. And I just love this, so I thought, why don't you guys use it? Yeah, so this is Wool Ease. I bought it from Craftsy. I think it's 402 wheat, the color. And the other one to matching, you can make hats, you can make scarves with this. And the other one is Barley 124 color number. So I'm giving away this in this box, so the other 2 boxes would be similar, so nothing to worry about. And I am putting one of my famous cotton yarns that I do my dishcloth with, so I will put that as well. And I am going to be putting these yarns that I have bought. I did start a example, so I'm going to leave that below. You can make a shawl out of this using your crochet hook. If you're knitting, you can knit a shawl. So there's plenty of yarn here. 2, 3, and here's the sample that I started for you. Okay, and I am going to be adding these scrubby yarn. It's gorgeous. I did a tutorial on this, so if you want to add this cotton yarn, it would turn out lovely. So if you want to knit or crochet something using these 2 yarns, you can. I use this, I crochet them, and I make dishcloth out of these. Washing my dishes, scrubbing, they're wonderful. So I will be adding that into the pile there. And another, I'm sure everyone loves purple. So another set of 3 balls of this. So I will be adding this as well. You can knit or crochet, whichever you like. And I'm going to be adding this yarn. You can make lovely hats for your loved one, and Christmas is coming. Holiday season is just around the corner, so I'm sure you're going to be using these yarn, and I have this little bit left over just to add that to your. And I bought this as a kit to make a shawl, so I'm sure you are going to love this copper color. It's gorgeous. So I will be adding that, and I will be making 2 more boxes like this. So this one would be the first drawing. Well, I'm going to pick it this time. So please put your country where you live, and when I message you, please watch your messages. So I will message you through this description, this comments below on this video. So when I ask you to please email me your address, so I need a proof that you are a subscriber, because I need to hit 20,000 when I send these, right? I'm almost 19, or just around the corner, so I'm not counting that another 1,000 more subscribers. I'm sure I will get them, and God bless. And I hope everyone's having a great holiday season. It's October. It's almost around the corner and time flies by. So I just wanted you guys to use these yarn, and hopefully you will create something for your loved ones. There's plenty of yarn here. At least, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 projects you can create out of this. And yeah, like I said, so please comment which country you live in, and I will reply to you. I will choose the first 3 winners, and I will be packing 2 more boxes like this. And good luck. And I hope you have a great, well, it's almost ending 2018. And if you don't see me, my face like this, usually you guys see my hands when I'm crocheting, when I'm knitting, trying to do a tutorial. And you have a great holiday season. And happy knitting, happy crocheting. Good luck, people. Thank you, friends.